guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing this Bohemian Knotless style. Took me almost 10 hours because I was sick. But if you want to see how we got these results and just me doing it in general, keep watching. Thank you for clicking on this video once again, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Alright, let's get into this tutorial. This won't be like a really in-depth way of how to braid your hair or do this style exactly. It's pretty much just a process of me doing it, and hopefully it inspires you to do your own hair. So my hair here is washed and deep conditioned, and actually I don't think I deep conditioned this time. It's blow dried, nice and stretched out, ready for me to make parts and do whatever I may to prepare for this hairstyle. And here I have the hair. I'm in love with the colors. I wasn't sure if the blonde curly human hair was gonna work with this color hair, but it turned out great, and I had faith in this moment. Also, the human hair is from the online store YG Wigs. I think it's a piano colored hair. So here I like to section as much as I can, just to make the process a lot easier. I took my glasses off and then realized I was blind and had to put them right back on. Here the goal is medium. So first I like to start off parting ear to ear pretty much, and eventually I'll split that section into 2 or 3 rows. But yeah, I like to start off there, and then you'll see later in the video that I like to still start from the ear for my top section and kind of go up and around my head. Here I'm using Shine and Jam just to clean up my parts a little bit. Honestly, when I do my own hair, I don't really focus on this too much. I just try to do the best that I can, and it just depends on how I'm feeling. Now that we got that part sectioned off and parted, we're going to start from the ear again. And as you can see, I'm just kind of going upward and then making a little arch motion at the top of my head. I just want to say too, during the entirety of this video, I was sick. On this day, it took me a few days to do my hair off and on just because I was so sick. So this overall was a very long process. At least it felt like one. It felt like an eternity. And I felt like it took me at least 10-13 minutes just to do one braid. And here I'm just letting a little bit of my weird out because I've been alone in the bathroom for a long time. Just defining my parts here, splitting that first section up like I said into, I think I'm doing 2 in this video, so. So now we're adding all of the hair. I think for each braid I did at least 5 or 6 curly pieces because I really wanted it to be a full look and I didn't want you to see my braids as much. And here I'm realizing that that braid just took me like 10 or 13 minutes like I said, and I'm contemplating how far I'm about to get tonight. So the toughest part of this whole hairstyle has been attaching the curly pieces to the ends. Now I used to braid hair for like clients and things, and I did goddess braids, and I don't remember it being as nearly as tough as this was. So I just tie the ends of the hair around each other at least 5 or 6 times until I feel like it's snug and it's good enough. And then some of them, or most of them, I burned the ends just a little bit to make sure they were really secure. And now we are on day 2 of my hair. I think I woke up early this morning this day and was like really determined. I was feeling good. Took my little Mucinex pills. But yeah, it's looking really full so far. It's looking how I wanted it to, so I was very happy. Might I add, this was a very busy weekend that I chose to do my hair. I had to do my sister's hair and my mom's hair within the next 2 weeks because we were all going on vacation and I'm like the braider of the house. So this day we were doing something with my church for the kids. We went bowling and of course I had to go and show support. So we wrapped it up, put a hat on, and now we're back braiding. We are nearing the end of this video here. It took me overall, like I said, about 10 hours for me to do this style. Would I do it again? Yes. The only thing is I'm a very active person, and these curly human hair pieces, they did good for a while, but after, you know, working out so much, playing volleyball, they just got really tangled and annoying to manage. So that's something to think about if you're looking to do this style. But I feel they turned out perfectly and I was so happy with the results. It's exactly what I imagined. I love that you can wear this kind of wet looking. And then I have my water bottle here. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like wet compared to one side being dry, just so you can get a feel for it as well. So what do y'all think? I think the colors turned out to be really good as well. I was super nervous, but it worked out perfectly. Just look at that. It's giving beach vibes. But that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching. Please leave a like and a subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.